हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में कवर करने जा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी हॉस्पिटल चैप्टर के बारे में। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं डेफिनेशंस ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, फंक्शंस ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, सर्विसेज ऑफ हॉस्पिटल और मेडिकल स्टाफ ऑफ हॉस्पिटल। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, डेफिनेशन। Modern hospital or hospital complex or hospital. Hospital is an organization or establishment where medical or surgical care and treatment is provided to the ill or injured patient by the team of trained staff using specialized scientific equipment. Second point, functions of hospital. First one, patient care. The main function of hospital is provide care to the ill or injured patient and restore the health of patient. Second function, medical research. Hospital plays important roles in medical research. It helps in developing new method of treatment. Some common areas of research are develop of new techniques in surgery, laboratory, diagnostic procedure, etc. Hospital should participate in research program. Third function, public health. Hospitals should support all the activities carried out by various public health and voluntary agencies like blood donation camp, immunization program, health checkups, etc. Fourth function, training. The hospital should organize the training program from the nurse, physicians, lab technicians. The training program should be arranged periodically under the supervision of experienced persons. Fifth function, education. A hospital can be considered as a workshop where students learn by observation under the guidance of superior staff. Sixth function, education to patient. The important function of hospital is to provide education to the patient related to any disease, hygiene, diet, etc. Seventh function, rehabilitation. Hospital can start rehabilitation center through which the patients of cancer, AIDS, leprosy, alcohol addiction, etc. can be। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं हॉस्पिटल के ऑल फंक्शंस। फर्स्ट, रिसर्च, पब्लिक हेल्थ, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ डिसीजेस, ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन टू पेशेंट, रिहैबिलिटेशन, डायग्नोसिस ऑफ डिसीजेस, एजुकेशन, पेशेंट केयर, एक्सेट्रा। Third point, classification of hospital. Hospitals can be classified into two types or one, that means three types. First, on clinical basis. Second, on non-clinical basis. Third, miscellaneous. First, पहला देखते हैं on clinical basis. Hospitals can be classified into four classes depending on clinical orientation. First one, on the basis of major diseases. Example, TB hospital, cancer hospital, leprosy hospital, mental hospital, etc. B, on the basis of client group. Pediatric hospital for children, gynecological hospital for women, maternity hospital for mother. C, on the basis of anatomical and physiological specialization. ENT hospital, that means ear, nose, throat hospital, orthopedic hospital, kidney hospital, etc. D, on the basis of system of medicine, that means system के डिपेंड पर एलोपैथिक हॉस्पिटल, आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल, होम्योपैथिक हॉस्पिटल, फिजियोथेरेपी, एक्सेट्रा। ये सब हो गए ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑन क्लिनिकल बेसिस। सेकेंड, ऑन नॉन क्लिनिकल बेसिस में भी थ्री टाइप्स हैं। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनरशिप, hospital can be classified into two classes depending on ownership. First, ownership, government hospital or non-government hospital. Or in government hospital, they are divided into three parts: central government, state government, other. In central government, example, central government health sham hospital. In state government, primary health center, civil hospital. In other, military hospital, corporation hospital, etc. Or non-government hospital, private hospital, a hospital run by private agencies like a board of trustee, charitable hospital. Example, Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai, Ramkrishnan Hospital, Kolkata. B, on the basis of bed size, hospitals can be subclassified into four types depending on bed size. Large hospital, bed size is 1000 or more. Example, JJ Hospital, Mumbai, KM Hospital, Mumbai. Medium hospital, bed size is 500 to 1000. Example, Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai, Bombay Hospital, Mumbai. Third, small hospital, bed size in between 100 to 500. Example, Hinduja Hospital, Mumbai, Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai, Bridge Candy Hospital, Mumbai. Fourth, very small hospital, bed size is less than 100 bed. That's Example, private hospital. C. On the basis of length of stay. A. Short stay. The patient stays in hospital for less than 30 days. B. Long stay. The patient stays in the hospital for more than 30 days. D. On the basis of cost. First, elite hospital. These hospitals are like the five-star hotels. The hospitalization rate of this hospital may be up to 12,000 to 15,000 per day. The rooms are equipped with fridge, TV, AC, telephone, etc. These hospitals are known as five-star hospital. Example: Hinduja Hospital, Jaslok Hospital, Leelavati Hospital, etc. Second, budget hospital. These hospitals are used by low and moderate budget users. Example: KM Hospital, Mumbai, Civil Hospital, etc. E. On the basis of accreditation. Accreditation means namankan. There are two classes according to accreditation. A. Accredited hospital. This meets to the specified standards of the healthcare. B. Non-accredited hospital. These hospitals does not completely meet to the specified standards of the healthcare. So friends, यहाँ सब हॉस्पिटल के क्लास लिखे. हॉस्पिटल फर्स्ट on clinical basis, second on non-clinical basis, C on the basis of length of stay, on basis of miscellaneous, on clinical basis में on the basis of major diseases, on the basis of client group, on the basis of anatomical and physiological species, on the basis of system of medicine, on non-clinical basis. A. On the basis of ownership, government hospital, that means central, state, other. Second, non-government hospital, that means private. B. On the basis of bed size, large hospital, medium hospital, small hospital, very small hospital. On the basis of length of stay, short stay, large stay. On the basis of cost, elite hospital, budget hospital. On the basis of accreditation, accredited hospital, non-accredited hospital. On the basis of miscellaneous, teaching hospital. Fourth point, services of hospital. Hospital is a complex organization which deals with the different types of services. That means services. First one, clinical services, or second one, supportive services. Clinical services includes pediatric services, gynecological services, ophthalmological services, ENT services, osteology services, psychiatric services. Or supportive services includes nursing services, radiology, pathology, dietary, pharmacy, anesthesia, medical record. So friends, first, nursing services. Nurses plays important role in the hospital. They provide health care, teaching, counseling, and emotional support to the patient. Nursing persons should provide dignity and rights to the every patient regardless of color, caste, and status. Nursing services are under the control of nursing director. Second, radiology services. This department is under the supervision of specially trained, qualifying, and experienced physician of radiology. This department is necessary for diagnostic purposes. This department provides the services like X-ray, sonography, MRI, CT scanning, etc. Pathology. This department analyzes the samples of blood, urine, sputum, feces, semen, etc. for presence of microorganisms and abnormal constituent. The head of pathology department should be professionally qualified and should have more experience. And dietary. These services are provided in the hospital under the guidance of qualifying dietitian. These persons apply principles of nutrition and also maintains record of patient regarding food allergies. Pharmacy services. These services are provided by hospital under the guidance of pharmacist. The pharmacist must be professionally qualified and should have adequate knowledge of drug. He should be able to dispense the drug to both inpatient and outpatient. Anesthesia services. These services provided by the professionally qualified trained persons. These services are required for the patient who will undergo surgical operation. A proper anesthetic agent should be selected having rapid induction and recovery of anesthesia. Medical record services. Medical record keeping is considered as a boring job, but it is very important for both patient and hospital. This department deals with maintenance of records of clinical information of patient, which can be supplied to the physician whenever required. Last point, medical staff of hospital. Every hospital should have complete, competent and legally qualified medical staff and they should be available for medical care of patient. There are following types of medical staff. First, honorary staff. Second, consulting staff. Third, associate staff. Fourth, active staff. Fifth, courtesy staff. Sixth, residential staff. So one by one देखते हैं. First, honorary staff. These staff members are retired person, but they provide their services in the hospital because of their vast experiences, deep knowledge, and outstanding work. They may act as a part-time medical. Second, consulting staff. These staff members consist of medical practitioners having professional ability. They generally work on OPD basis. Generally, these staff members include specialization from different branches. Third, associate staff. These staff members consist of group of juniors or less experienced members. They work on hospital for purpose of practice or training. Fourth, active staff. These staff members are directly involved in the hospital. They actively participate in the patient care. Fifth, courtesy staff. It is a group of staff members who have permission for attending their own patient in the hospital. They does not get involved in the treatment of other patients of hospital. Sixth, residential staff. Residential staff. These staff members are available in the hospital of 24 hours basis services. That is, they work in the hospital and stay hospital campus. दोस्तों कैसे लगा आपको ये चैप्टर कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताना. दोस्तों अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो इस चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना, क्योंकि मैं इस चैनल पर फार्मेसी के बारे में डेली अपडेट्स लाता रहता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स.